Hey YouTube, welcome back. So, yesterday we end up missing some tools, and also what I had to do with my puller was that I actually had to grind off a little bit material from the claws, and now I'm hoping that we can actually pull this one out with the modified. Yeah, looks like we can now get a positive grip from the back plate. Yes, let me get the sockets here. Yes, 14. So let's check if we can actually pull it out. Okay, that was quite okay. And then we have here this sleeve, like a tapered sleeve that interlocks together with this one, and I guess we are now ready to move along. And also I took the 7mm key now for the pump connection. That's a little bit beat up. Yeah, but it's coming out. I need to renew this one. Also, there is a little bit kind of like a design flaw here, because you can't use the closed end. There's like a recess where it's sitting, and I can only use the open end. And maybe that's also the actual reason why it's a little bit beat up already. So I'll have to address that when I will start to put everything back together. Okay, so there's that one. And then I guess we can now start to try to get this base also out. That one came out. Again, goo. Okay, and that one has also something in here, so I might need something really sharp to get in there to get the tool go all the way in, so I don't mess up the head. Or did I did it already? I'm going to try to get something, some kind of a but it might be that I already rounded the hex, because it does not want to go all the way. But okay, I think we can still get it out, even it's now there. I might use some locking pliers to get it out. There's also a lock ring right here. And now I think we can open the bolts holding the cam cover. That was very loose. There you could hear that it actually tried to hit a little bit, but the first one was, I don't know, maybe I have tried it with the key before. Okay. So there is basically only one place where I can actually hit the cover, and it's actually it's the base here. Let me see if I can. I am not sure if I can. Oh. Let's take these cam followers also out of here while we are at it. Okay, they're out. But this one, I think it might need a little bit harder hit. And I will also remove the piston, and then I can see if I can actually get that master rod coming out. Okay, it's not gonna come out that way, so okay. Also, I want to get this one out and make sure it doesn't hold anything there. See if we can use these pliers to oh yeah. Great. Okay, good thing. There's the pump. But I guess it's coming with the housing, so now I will just have to try and tap it out a little bit from here and try not to break anything. That was promising. Let's take some small screwdriver there and try to pry it open. Seems like, is this holding it up? No, it's not. Okay, let's try out more. Okay, it comes with the cover, so that's good. Yeah, there we go. A lot of grease inside, so we'll need to clean that up, all that up. Then we have the pinion rings here, and then we have the actual camshaft. There's like bearings here. I think these should come, yeah, these should come right out. There we go. And well, at least it's not dry. And how do we pick this one up from here? There we go. And that's our camshaft. And now let's see if we can actually, if this now moves a little bit inside. No, it doesn't. So how the hell are we supposed to get this out from here? Nope. Ah, okay, just one tiny spot where it actually comes out. And that's the master rod. And now this one is facing the prop shaft. I'll have to remember that. And now I think that we can actually get the crankshaft out of there. But I would like to have something, maybe some wood block here, not just to hit it with the hammer. Or actually I have a rubber mallet here somewhere. So let's try with the rubber mallet. And there we have it. Little bit cleaning to do, so that is actually going to be the next step. Let's take a little bit what we can have with the paper, so I don't mess up the solution in the ultrasonic cleaner right away. There's quite much parts that we actually need to be washing, and that will be the next step on this journey. There's some glue or something at the bottom of there, but other than that, looking quite okay. So let's get that excess grease, most of it, what we can actually have here. Take it out like manually before putting it into the washer. Oh yeah, and there's actually also another set of bearings here. So the thin one goes to the bottom and the thick ones are actually at the top. We need to remember that. That's a bit messy stuff here, but after the washing it will be then a lot nicer to put everything back together, even when adding some grease here. Maybe I'll try to take one more. Okay, I think we are, but yeah, this one I need to also clean up from the grease. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I think I think it was a good idea to actually tear it apart and make this overhaul, even though it might have been if I would have just flush the cylinder, you know, dry them out, all the excess oil there, it might have been running just fine, but now looking inside, I think it's okay. It's good idea to actually have it cleaned up thoroughly. And one more. Okay, I think we are ready to take a bath with these ones, so that's gonna be next. Let's continue.